Today I have a really exciting video for you. This is an update about my water culture orchids. They don't have any media, any dirt or moss or wood chips or coconut husk chips, nothing at all. This is growing on water only, and I have to place them in a jar. This one right here, I'll show you this. Right here is growing in the jar. The amazing thing about this one is that because there's a new leaf right here, so which is pretty good. Started out with really small leaf, and now the leaves are getting bigger. See that? I have this little one right here. This one is another great orchid too. So it's growing in this jar, and look at that new growth right here. See the new growth? These are new roots right here. See that? These are new roots ever since I put it in the water culture. So I'm gonna put that back in there, and I have another one right here. This one right here is really great. I'm gonna show it to you right there. See, how can I tell when to put water in there? Because see, the roots are gray right here. Look how much roots it's growing. Look how much new roots growing in there. See right here, right there, and right there. There's so many of them, so many new roots that are starting to grow. And look at all that. See right here, there's so many of them right there. Lots of them ever since. So this one is the most successful one. So how to water them, I'm gonna show you how much water to put. Okay, so I'm gonna lift this up. Try to avoid to put water in here. That is like a big no-no. Otherwise, if you do, make sure that you clean it up with the towel immediately, so it doesn't cause any rottings. So when I water this, I'm gonna show you how I do it. So the water must cover the roots only, the roots area. Never ever cover anywhere closer to the leaves. Okay, so you only want to cover the roots area. And see right here, it's just right there. It's just up to the roots area. So I water these. I put them in the water for 2 days, and then after that it's no water. I mean, no, 2 days with water and 3 days without water. So this one right here, I just watered this not too long ago. Right here, see, it's got that new roots. See the new roots right there? See right there? Right here. See the new roots? That is really cool. So this one is still wet a little bit. Now this one right here has got a really amazing roots. See all that new roots going on right there and right here. I mean, yes, 3 days no water, 2 days with water. Now look at that one. This one is the most amazing one, because there are so much roots growing right now since I started this with the water culture. And look at all that roots right here. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. It is so amazing, and it's really doing a great growing in there, and I'm so happy with the result. And this one right here, there's also another one with lots and lots of roots. Look at this. Look at that right here. These are the new roots ever since I put it in the water system. So anyway, I'm gonna put water in here, because the roots is kind of gray. Because when it's gray like that, right here it's gray, that means it needs water. So I'm gonna soak it right now. I'm gonna add some more water in a few minutes. Okay, just want to show it to you guys. Thank you so much. Take care.